Sometimes this happens to you. You study today and you answer everything correctly, but 2 days later it feels like your brain deleted the lesson. Then parents and teachers say you are not serious. And you start thinking, maybe I have bad memory. But listen carefully. Your memory is not bad. Your brain just needs help to store learning the right way. Hi, I'm Dr. Antony. Welcome to Success Steps, where we use brain science and smart learning tools to help you unlock your true potential. Today, I'm going to show you how simple ways to help your brain remember what you study for a long time. First, what happens when you study? When you read something, it goes into your short-term memory faster. That is like writing on a sand. It can disappear quickly. For learning to stay, your brain must go back to it and strengthen it. This strengthening process is called memory consolidation. If you do not revise the right way, your brain thinks not important, and it removes information from the back of your brain. So the goal is not just studying. The goal is helping your brain lock the lesson in. I want to clear up a misunderstanding many students have. Difficulty in studying does not mean low intelligence. It usually means the method doesn't match the brain. There are a lot of techniques. Technique 1, same day quick recall. After you finish studying a lesson, close your book. Now try this, say it out loudly what you remember. Write key notes, key points without looking. Explain the topic in your own words. Do not worry if you forget some parts. That is normal. When you try to pull information out of your brain, your memory becomes stronger. Even 5 minutes of this is very powerful. Technique 2. Remember, sleep is your memory superpower. Many students think studying late at night helps, but your brain actually stores memory best during sleep. When you sleep, your brain replays what you learned. Important information gets saved. Unimportant details get removed. So if you cut your sleep, your memory becomes weaker. Good sleep is not wasting time. It is helping your brain remember. Then what is the criteria of storing the information in the brain while sleeping? Where you are more focused, brain understands that you need to store it. Technique 3 is spaced revision. If you study something only once, your brain forgets it fast. Instead, revise in small gaps like this. Revise the same day, revise again after 2 days, revise again after 1 week, revise before exams. Each time revision becomes faster, your memory becomes much stronger and consolidated. Technique 4, teach back method. One of the best ways to remember is to teach someone else. Try explaining your lesson to your parent, your brother or sister, or even an imaginary student. When you teach, your brain organizes the information better. Teaching makes your memory so powerful. Technique 5. Write, don't just read. Reading again and again feels like studying, but it's not very strong for memory. Instead, write answers, make short summary notes, draw mind maps, write keywords from memory. The brain secret is that writing uses more parts of your brain, so learning stays longer. Technique 6, use stories and funny links. Your brain loves stories, pictures, and funny examples. If you connect a lesson to a story, a real-life situation, a silly or a funny image, you will remember it much more easily in exams. Dry memorizing fades, meaningful learning stays. Technique 6, take smart study breaks. Your brain cannot stay fully focused for long hours without getting tired. A smart way to study is by using something called the Pomodoro technique. Here is how you can do it. Study with full focus for 25 to 30 minutes, then take a 5 minutes break. After 3 or 4 study rounds, take a longer break for 15 to 20 minutes. During the short breaks, you can walk around, stretch your body, drink water, rest your eyes, etc. These small breaks help your brain refresh, improve blood flow, and strengthen memory. Studying for long hours without breaks can actually make you forget more. So remember, short breaks are not a waste of time. They help your brain learn better. Memory is not about being smart or not smart. It's about how you help your brain learn. If you recall instead of reading, sleep well, revise in a small gap, or teach others, write and memorize, your brain will naturally store lessons in long-term memory. So instead of telling yourself, I have a bad memory, tell yourself, I am learning how to help my brain remember better. And that small change can make big difference in your studies.